Streams live. Charts are set. ORB ready. Alpine's best. Welcome in. Sunrise glow. Markets in sight. Fairways green. Futures take flight. Porsche on the road. Chasing the day. Alpine leads, we're on our way. Alpine horizon, rising high. From the charts to the course, we touch the sky. Alpine ready, rising high. From the charts to the course, we touch the sky.
Good morning. Is Apex still down? I don't know. Can check. Shouldn't be down. I was able to check yesterday. Yeah, it's still down, looks like. Damn. The website won't load for me. Well, that sucks. All right, good morning, guys. Hopefully, you could get your accounts at some point today. I don't know if I should still risk my Take Profit Trader account. I want to, but at the same time, I don't. ORB has been good this week, but yeah. Should have received my Bullnox payout, I think. I gotta check on my phone if I received their payout. I see the money came out of the account. How are you guys doing? Everyone had a good day yesterday? Yep, got the payment at 5:54 a.m. from Bully. duh, duh, duh. You don't need to switch. You could trade both. The Apex payouts, they take a while to review, and there's my payout from Bullnox, $1,500. We'll take that. But it's crazy how long it takes to make $1,500 on Bullnox versus how long it takes me to make $1,500 on Take Profit. All right, so overall market conditions, definitely in the choppy areas right now for the last few hours. On the longer time frame, on the hourly chart, it looks pretty choppy. So we'll see. It bounced off that support we talked about, I think. Yeah, it bounced off the support that we talked about yesterday. The 410 area. I guess it went all the way down to 368 though. Which is not a lot of movement in this volatility, but that's still like 50 points. So still gotta. FOMC minutes say, yeah. I have to be done. I have a meeting at 12:30. But FOMC minutes is boring. Nvidia earnings though today. I'm pretty sure. Make sure copy trader's on. I didn't check yet. Okay, copy trader is working. I am not trading my take profit trader account. I should be, but I'll just clear that payout and then. All right, 15 seconds to go. Good luck. Gonna be a straightforward short. I don't know. Yep, straightforward short. Let's get it. Bum, bum, bum. 3 in a row. Let's go. Wish I was trading full size. Of course, when I'm trading smaller size. But I'm going to stick to it. I'm going to stick to smaller size. Chris, they're nice. All right. That was a hard day worth of work. Realized my Bullnox account was copying only 1/3 of the size. That kind of sucks. Forgot about that. But that's all right. Okay, we're going to take the lowest balance account and start scalping it. Victory on ORB again. 3 in a row. But Matt, you said you already signed them, so that makes sense. I forgot you traded with them a while ago. Did you have as much lag? How do you trade an Apex eval if you're trying to pass quick? Well, I've done that on stream many times. Was it bot trade? No. Yeah. Was it Alpine bot? Great, took a stupid trade and lost what I won on ORB. That's the most frustrating thing to do. I learned my lesson that way as well. The only reason why I'm trying to trade now is because I lost in the ORB 3 times last week, so I'm trying to get the balances back up, but pretty much back to break even on the accounts, on the balance. But you could see I'm still down in the drawdown. That means I'm down quite a lot in the balance. The drawdown should be 4,500. But Sky, that trade you saw me take, that's how I made 75% of my money. So that's estimated. I don't know exactly, but around 75% of the $700,000 in payouts comes from that 1 minute a day trade. All right, so far choppy, so far choppy. Obviously, I'm upset that I missed the ORB on Take Profit Trader this week, but what are you gonna do? It's my fault. You take risky trades. Yeah, of course. Because there's no risk. There's no risk in prop firms, so it's you could do as many you could do as risky as you want because there's no risk. And it's only risky if you're not making money, by the way. Right? You don't it's only risky if you're not making money. That's how you got to treat it. If you're making money, then why is it risky? I mean, no risk, no Rari. Heard that saying before, right? In my case, it's no risk, no Porsche, but yeah, my baby. Doing risky trades. Do I trade ORB strategy? Yes. It's my own version of ORB. That's what it is. He's single, ready to mingle. I don't know about that. All right. Well, the range is 122 points, so definitely volatility is still there. Let's switch over to the tick chart. That's where we trade and scalp. So tick chart looks a little bit different than time chart. This is the 30-second chart, and look at the tick chart. Looks a lot different, even though it's the same thing. Kind of tells me that the volume is low, because I don't know. It's not that many candles, but doesn't really matter. Hopefully we could scalp today. Been scalping really well all week. Should probably do evals first just to kind of get the feel for it. But get a quick short there. All right. I'm gonna turn off the sound so just so you guys don't get confused that it's your own QUANTOWER. Why buy an expensive car when you can buy more accounts? Because you can't race or drive your accounts? I think that's a good answer. Oh, I don't see the take profit eval on my credits. Let me see. Did I even send the email? Did I send the email out? I was looking for I might have not sent it. Nope. It's in my drafts. My bad. I wanted to give another account to someone, to a friend, and I was waiting for him to respond with his email. I'll send it now. This should be. Okay, just sent it. Yeah, Apex website's still having issues. I was able to log in last night. Maybe they'll extend the sale. Damn it. Yeah, I could get 2 Porsches. I could if I wanted to. I got that Porsche with payouts, and affiliates go into my investments and my mortgage and stuff, and savings. Trading too. I mean, I've made close to $700,000 in payouts. The car was only like 160. Plus, I have another job that job alone I could have, maybe not brand new, but I could have bought a 911 with. Not cash though, payment. Over what time period? 2.5 years. But I've been self-employed for 10 years and I've been making 6 figures for pretty much since then. Maybe not the first couple years, but my expenses were high. When I was starting my DJ business, my expenses were super high. Buying equipment. What a squeeze here, damn. Definitely long bias today, I guess. I hate missing this big move up. Just didn't feel like it was gonna happen. And here we are. Why, Sky? What's going on? You don't like your JOB? I wouldn't be surprised if the sale is kind of causing the site to be down as well. Who knows? This is the cheapest Apex has ever been, I think. I mean, all in for like 87 bucks on a 50K account. That's pretty wild for Apex standards. All right, 186 points on the range. That's the high. Just closed. Had a nice trap here, but haven't taken traps in a while. Plus, when it's so extended, it's kind of scary. But it worked like a charm. Look how it broke. Look how it broke this previous swing low here. Just a tiny bit and then squeezed. All right, it's breaking the 15-minute high. You want to be unemployed? Oh man, trading full time is so difficult. I can't imagine trading full time still. But I'm just I like security a little bit. Even though I'm self-employed, I like security. So like, if trading's not going well, like I would panic. It's like, oh my God, am I gonna be able to do this again? Like when you go on a month without a payout, it's like, oof. Even though I haven't missed a month without a payout since May of 2023, September was as close to it as possible because all my payouts in September were from August, right? So, in August, trading was going well, and I was able to request payouts from August trading in early September. That put me at like whatever it was on the month, and 11,000, and then I didn't make money for a whole month. Oh, you trade Forex. Interesting. ORB on MNQ. Well, my ORB is different, so don't look into that one because you can't do that on MNQ. I used to do a 5-minute ORB. I used to do a 15-minute ORB, but then the 15-minute ORB, if it did something like this, it would really trick me out. Like I would not know. Like right now, the 15-minute ORB, the long seems very extended. Like we just went up 186 points. How much more can we go up, you know, without pulling back? I guess that's just my counter trend trading brain speaking to me. Oh man, you definitely want hotkeys that are 2 keys. You want to have something like control or something as your binder. Ooh, yeah, I did see a couple people going live, but I didn't know it was sudden because I don't follow. But they've been reaching out to me for a partnership, so maybe I should wait. Someone told me they're very good, like not big payouts, but like very good for small payouts, like consistent payouts. Well, 15-minute ORBs going higher right now. I just can't seem to join it. I suck. Why do I suck with trend trading? I think I just been burnt so many times buying the top. Oh wow, that's crazy. So they don't even give you a big live account. Man, this is what I'm saying. Nothing beats Take Profit Trader, guys. Nothing beats Take Profit Trader, and nothing beats Apex for big payouts. Those two prop firms are by far the best. Obviously, a lot of people are affected by Apex, so for them, Take Profit mainly stays. I don't know. Anyone know how Trade Day approaches the live accounts? All right, so far we failed. Does anyone know how Trade Day approaches the live accounts? All right, up 800 on this account. I think that's enough. I don't want to risk 800 bucks, I think, because I'm not certain how the market's going to play out. So let's just trade this account. Yeah, Tradeify canceled their advanced accounts, so we'll see. CP Trader, yeah, that's how they get you. I'm tempted to reset, to be honest, because I just can't seem to pass. I don't take my time passing their evals. Like I'm not even working on evals. That's the thing. Like I'll be working on one and fail it, and I don't do another one. Like I'm not aggressive enough. So I gotta I gotta I gotta think about it. I mean, I just gotta pay out from Bullnox for $1,500. That resets one account. I could reset one account, make $1,500 with that account, get another reset, and so on. Because the 150Ks that resets are super expensive. It's like stupid expensive, but at the same time, like when you compare it to like a straight to funded account, let's say with Tradeify or Lucid, that's like 600 bucks or whatever it costs nowadays. I don't even know. and then you got to trade for a very long time to get to a payout, versus 1500, you get a payout from day number 1 right away. Almost makes more sense. I'm gonna try maybe Matty Matt if I'm still home, if I'm not going to play golf. Weather's kind of shit. Might just have to wait till the weekend for golf. It's that time of the year where wow, what a squeeze. What a squeeze we got. I was long biased today, but kind of similar to here this day. But I just don't find my setups. No pullback, no double bottoms, nothing. So I'm kind of scared to join this trend. Would I recommend bull knocks? I recommend them when they're 90% off. And I recommend them as an auxiliary prop firm. So if you already trade with Rhythmic accounts, you plug in your bull knocks to your copy trader and don't even bother. Or they don't, supposedly they don't even allow copy trading, but there's no way for them to know you're copying, really. So like nothing is in the data that shows that you're copying, right? So I just trade them like that. I don't really focus too much attention on it. It's just extra money. I've just been trading with them for so long, so I'm just so used to it. But are they great? I don't know if they're great. It's a very slow payout process. Like I just got paid today. So now I got to trade for 10 days, right? So if I trade for 10 days, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have Thanksgiving. 7, 8, 9, 10. So it'll be December 3rd, and I will not get paid till December 10th. All right. So today's November 19th. I just got paid. The next time I could get paid on bull knocks is December 10th to actually get the money in my account. Request the payout on the 3rd and get paid on the 10th. So it's very staggered payouts. But at least you know you're getting paid, and why not? Yeah, 15-minute ORB definitely killed it today. Nice job, Mooncake. Yeah, I'm so bad with videos. Oh my god. I used to make videos. Now I don't know where to begin. I have too many thoughts. Like I need to make a video on QUANTOWER. I need to make a video on TradeSyncer. I need to make a video on my favorite prop firms, on my payouts recently, my struggles, my positives. I made like one video this whole year. Bad. Wow. What a move though. What a move here. How do we join this today? That's the problem. I'm gonna struggle today, guys. This made the move without me, and now it's FOMO time. It's gotta pull back, right? It's gonna have a deeper pullback. It's too early. A couple more hours. I got an appointment at 12:30, so I gotta finish the stream at 12. Well, it helps growing the channel, to be honest. Get some new faces in the stream. I used to be close to like 600 viewers. all the time. But even stupid videos like my garage overview, review of my car, you know, silly videos like that too. I used to love making videos and I don't know what happened. Yeah, same thing with Trades by Matt. He's been very quiet, right? And that's what kind of makes you lose viewership. Like he's not posting a lot of content. Um, his streams are very short. He doesn't trade with any other prop firms, which is weird. Like I don't know why he doesn't trade with anything other than Apex. Like I think the whole thing when he started to hide his account though, that's when he started losing viewerships. Well, that's when his viewership started dying. All right, maybe I'll trade my trade day eval. What do you guys think? To pass this damn thing. We got $374 to go. You guys want to see how you create a top on the market? I could just hit this button, this green button right now. It's going to be the top. Yeah, he did get shadow banned too. YouTube is like becoming silly with some things. What was that? Hmm. Let's see. Can we hold this high? I mean, this candle kind of looked pretty weak. Come on, just need like 10 points. Not even. We got 10 points in the opposite direction. Damn, this is still gonna keep going higher. Yep. The strength today is unreal. Yeah, I'm gonna blow this eval, I think. Yeah, close to passing it, but it's not. Today's not gonna be a big scalping day for me. I just can't read the price action. I mean, I can, but it just seems too extended. So unless we get a big pullback, I can't risk it on fundeds. Just not feeling it like I did last 2 days. Last 2 days I took a lot of trades. It's not gonna happen today. I could already tell you. Just feels so extended. So to buy up here, it's just so silly. Let's see if this plays out. It's kind of rejected that twice already. So let's see if we could get lucky here. But see, no, it's so strong. So strong. It's insane. No dice. To not get a pullback at all is crazy. To not get a pullback at all, guys. That's pretty wild. Pretty interesting day today. I'll get more evals from them. Yeah, I should have passed it when I had a chance. I don't know what the drawdown is on this. 2,500. Come on, just shit the bed now. Yeah, crazy squeeze, and we're not even getting a pullback. Like, look at that. Every pullback gets bought up. That's like insane sign of strength. How much drawdown do you get on trade day? 50K account. I could have sworn it was $2,000, but I guess not. Holy shit. I've never seen so many pull. Like, I've seen the market rip, but to do so many dirty pullbacks like this and not to break down, that I haven't seen in a long time. All right. Trade day's blown. Close to passing. When people ask me why didn't you want to do a trade day, because when their evals take so long, it's hard. It's much harder. That's why I prefer no consistency in evals and consistency in funded. Because in funded, you're focused. On evals, you're trying to just pass as fast as possible. So yeah, 15-minute opening range trade today was a bomb. Look at this. Look at this beautiful rip. And I took no advantage of it. Yeah, I'm pretty sad about that, to be honest. Because I love long markets. Long markets is where I shine. It's just, it caught me off guard without any, like, I didn't feel like trapped. So it is what it is. I might not be able to take another trade for now. So we're just going to watch this together. Oh, sucks. It's going to be a smaller day today. Had nice trades this week. So today's going to be a smaller day. It's okay. Let it keep going. Who cares? You consider 400 a small day? Not 400, but the total is 5,000. So yeah, I consider that small compared to what I've been doing this week. I like to get at least like 3 accounts to $1,000. I just can't. Today is just not the day. I have so much FOMO. Like I want to long, but as soon as I will long, this is gonna dump so hard. I know that's gonna happen, so I'll be more upset that way. I'd rather just have FOMO and be upset that I missed the move versus get in, lose an account for no reason, and be more upset, right? Like I know my triggers. Like yes, one of my triggers is missing a huge move to the upside. When the market's moving to the downside like this, I'm licking my chops for a reversal. But when it's moving up like this, I don't want to short it. Even though I did just before, but I don't want to short it. Like I don't feel comfortable shorting this. I want to long it, but there's no way to long it because there's not been any traps. There's not been any pullbacks. Look, every pullback is higher than the previous pullback. Every single one. It's never made. Now it's making a little bit of a top. So maybe now it'll reverse, but every pullback here, this is like the first pullback that's making new lows. But it's kind of looking similar to this. Well, yeah, on the big time frame, it's always just a blip. I mean, but how much can you go in this, in this straight line? We have resistance here too. Ah, big miss by me. Big miss by me. Not gonna lie. Definitely have FOMO, but and that was long bias today too. I just got caught off guard that it happened so fast. Atlanta's gonna have another $1 million fucking payout this week. I mean, you just hold this. You just hold this from the open on Take Profit Trader, and I mean, you're making so much money. It's just not even. It's not even fair. It's not giving you any reason to sell. That's the thing. There's no reason to sell. It's never made a pullback. Like, sometimes it makes like a deep pullback and then it goes higher. Not today. This was the deepest pullback we had at 938, which started this move. Crazy, crazy. FOMO is real, guys. FOMO is real. Just gotta get distracted. Better than losing. Oh, fuck. It's just not coming down. And volatility is slowing down too. I'm pissed about that trade day eval. Can't get funded with trade day for. Tried 3 evals and I failed all 3. Was $300 away from passing it too. Unbelievable. Yeah, Apex website's still not working, I guess. It worked last night and then still having Cloudflare issues. I don't know what to do. Should I just send and long eval so I feel better? Because it's going to pull back. Like, we could just send this eval long and watch it pull back. This is the top. All these years I've been trading Apex evals normal way. Who's hedging? And yeah, you could hedge. There's no rules on Apex evals. But that's why there is a trailing drawdown, because hedging is not that easy. Surprised you didn't know that, Dalvin. You could hedge on that. I don't know of any prop firm that you can't hedge evals on. I'm sure there is someone that doesn't allow it, but maybe Top Step. Well, I guess that wasn't the top. Come on, keep it going. Actually, I'm gonna sell most of it at 25,000. Big psychological number. We can't lose any money on this eval anymore. If we blow it, it's going to be break even. All right, there she goes. Come on, Apex. Fix your website so we could buy some 50K evals. I want to get to 20 Apex accounts. I only have these evals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can't pass the big accounts for some odd reason anymore. I was pretty good with it those couple days, and now the trailing drawdown just gets me. Save your load for Nvidia earnings. Yeah, maybe I'll save the 150Ks for earnings, but the earnings are tough. Earnings are tough. I would love to see. We don't have any news Friday, do we? Like CPI would be great. On NFP. That's gonna be a problem. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna trade my Take Profit Trader account once it clears the payout, because I just don't feel comfortable with this market. It's weird to say because I love longing. Longing is my favorite thing to do. Mm-mm. I am short biased because I traded cryptos most of my career. Well, I am short biased in stocks. I traded small caps. I only shorted stocks. I never longed them. But in futures, I'm the opposite because I know it goes up all the time. TaylorMade says he bought evals over. I did see it last night. It was working, so I didn't bother buying because I figured I could buy this morning. I wanted to see if I had any renewals first. That is crazy that their website's still not working. Because everyone else is working already. Everyone else is already working. I mean, this thing's not gonna go down, is it? There's gonna be so many blown accounts today, it's gonna be bad. What do you think blows more accounts? Price action like today or price action like yesterday when we had big up and down? Let's go, Ian. Very nice. Which size account? Is that 3,500 payout or what we got going on? 75K, nice. So 75K What is it, 2250 drawdown? Or is it 2500? Keep yawning, I don't know why. Yeah, Lucid's not bad, but the 20% does hurt you when you take a loss. When you have a losing day and you have a 20% consistency count, that really hurts. Let's say on day one you take a big loss. Let's say on the 150K you take a $2,000 loss. Now you got to make $11,000 instead of $9,000, and you still have 20% consistency, so it just screws everything up. How much 2050K PAs would cost after evals and activations? Assuming you would pass. 1540. Like almost $1,600. Nah, it's gotta be their Black Friday sale because it's going all the way till next week. Yeah, $1,500, and you get one payout. One of those accounts to a payout, and you're profitable. How crazy is that? You have 20 Apex accounts, you blow 19, you get one of them to a payout, and you're profitable. That's pretty crazy to think about. If someone is not profitable with trading prop firms, and then, you know, you break it down that way, all you got to do is get one account to a payout. To break even, that's pretty wild. Assuming you pass on the first try. Yeah, it's never going to happen, but. Well, you don't have to do 20 accounts. I mean, I'm just going for 20 accounts now, but I usually never have 20 accounts. And I'm not copying. I pass every single eval individually. Right now, I don't know if I want to pass any evals. Market's choppy. If we could get like a crazy sell-off, right? That's when I would jump in and try to scalp for some gains. But like, it would have to be just very heavy. Not this little pullback crap. Just not feeling confident today at all. It caught me off guard. Like, I was long biased, but it caught me off guard that I started going kind of slowly up, and there was no like power behind it initially. It just kind of started going. Didn't expect it to keep going. I was expecting to go and retest the lows or something before it went higher, but this is a crazy move. Nicely done, Dalvin. Very consistent. Oh, you're almost at payout. There you go. Yes, every code on Take Profit Trader is no activation. That's their promo right now. That's the thing with prop firms. Every code is the same. There's no special promos for any codes. The days and the consistency are limiting. Yeah, but that's how they gotta do it to survive. Every straight to funded company has 20% consistency. Except Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader straight to funded, aka reset, is no consistency. Again, the list just keeps going when it comes to why is Take Profit Trader the best prop firm. You have two of the best connections. You have Rhythmic and you have Tradeovate. You have daily payouts. You have resets. You have cheapest all-in cost in the industry. As in, like, it's not the cheapest always, but it's very cost effective. And the live program is just freaking bananas. So you could actually be a full-time trader and trade with Take Profit Trader. You're never at risk of like, it's like, oh, if Take Profit Trader kicks me out, then I'm done. Like, what am I gonna do? Like with Apex, right? You can make a lot of money with Apex. Eventually, you're done with Apex. You can't keep going. So like that money stream is gone. So you can't rely on it in 10 years. Versus with Take Profit, unless something changes in the prop firm industry, you could rely on the income for many years. Yeah, Lucid does payouts in 1 minute. It's pretty sweet. No, Lucid's great. Lucid's great. It's just quite expensive. I just blew a account last week, or even Monday, was it? Or, I don't know, it was Friday or Monday. Because Monday's ORB won, but it went against me first. And I didn't have any drawdown left. I had like $300 left. Alright, maybe it's getting flat. At least it's getting flat right now. I still got a couple more PAs to trade, but I just don't know. We'll wait. We'll wait. We'll be patient. Maybe the market will give us an opportunity. Maybe the market will be nice. Maybe they will just dump it and give us a quick Quick long. Dalvin, that's probably just clickbait. Just some clickbait. Ah, come on, market, dump it. We need like a 200-point sell-off. Maybe not 200, but at least to like the 15-minute opening high. Thing is, if we start making lower highs, lower lows, I want to be ready for a break. Flagging. Definitely could be, but Twitter today is going to be very interesting. Oh man. So what's going on with Funded Next? What's going on with their freaking live thing? I just opened my Twitter and that's all I see. Because yes, Funded Next, anyone that promotes Funded Next gets paid. Well, at least the bigger YouTubers. Okay, they offer salary. Not many prop firms offer that. Not only affiliates, but you get paid on salary. So that's why it was pushed very, very hard by some people. I have about 15 emails from them trying to sign me up, and I've been hesitant, and now I don't know what to do. Everyone was saying it was good, but now I don't know. Now I don't know. I'm gonna try a short here for 10 points. See what happens. Making lower highs and lower lows. And a little bit of a trap here. So let's see. Can we actually go lower? Good morning, DC fan. How's it going? If it breaks is low now, I might go lower. Got the 10 points, but I moved my target a little bit lower, another 10 points. Now we can start melting down. Maybe. Come on. Fill me. I'm gonna leave one on the table because I feel like we could keep going lower. How did I not get filled? Oh my goodness. That is some bad luck. How did I not get filled? I don't know. The low is 89.50. Yeah, just tapped my order. Crazy. See if it fails this. Yep. It's failing. Kind of what I wanted to see. Come on, just break this level though. There we go. Should be able to get filled here. Man, not placing my orders properly. Yeah, hit those likes and sub. Thank you guys. Thanks for all the support. We'll be doing another giveaway most likely Friday, unless I do some golfing plans, then we'll do a giveaway tomorrow. Because if I go play golf Friday, then my stream's going to be too short to do a giveaway. Huh. Just doesn't want to give it to me. Give me my fill. Please. About damn time. And we're just going to keep shorting pops. See how much we can make on this eval. If I could get it halfway to passing, that would be great. 3,100. Okay, we're getting that meltdown I wanted. Come on, keep melting. Go fast. We need like a fast drop. The longs are still not panicking, right? Longs are still holding. We need to give them a reason to panic. My entry support. You mean my exit? All right, I'm not in a position now, but any pop, I will short. I actually want to short on their live, on the funded account. Yeah, let's switch over to a funded account. This thing's gonna melt. Come on, a little bit more. Okay, we'll take that. 775. All right, so all the accounts are above starting balance. So they were almost dead on Monday. They were like 147,000, 148,000, and now they're back to green. So it's like having fresh accounts. I will take that. All right, we're still melting though. We're still melting here. Yeah, I have a lot of Nvidia. I have like $30,000 worth of Nvidia stock, so we'll definitely be watching that. Yeah, I have $30,000 in. I have 155 shares. Last earnings on Nvidia didn't go well. This is melting. Come on, one more flush. I have a break-even stop on this. Aha, nice. Come on. Bastards. Ah, that's why you don't use a break-even stop. Scalping the momentum, but unfortunately that was terrible. Would have been out now for a nice $400 gain. Oh man, that sucks. That really sucks. Still very weak. All right, got my $400 on that account. Then we got one more account to trade. 31. All right. It's turning out to be an okay day. Quick scalping, momentum. It's getting a little overextended now, so maybe a long play will be possible. Yep, going right back to the 15-minute opening high. Missed out on that eval. And this eval made 3,100. Could have kept holding, but I mean, today is a beautiful trending day. You know, we got a big trend up. Now we have a nice trend down. Not a lot of chop. Unbelievable. This is perfect. So now I'm gonna be trading this account that has not been traded yet today. Let's see if we could get something. What a meltdown. Oh, ho, ho. That is a 200-point sell-off right there. Knew if I was patient, it will pay off. I mean, I didn't make that much, but made like $1,100 on the way down. Plus the eval. But now I don't know. I don't know if I trust this going lower without a bounce first. That's where we get in this. Like here, yes. Now I'm like hesitant to too short. Still thinking about it. At least one contract and then build. Rejected the moving average really hard. I'm just gonna get one in there. Start a position and see. Oh, I got faked out. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? How would I not get filled up there? I gotta cancel it, I think. $30K payout from Lucid. Let's go. Motion sim rig? I don't know. Not a fan. I would get a nice sim rig without motion. But that's me. The motion is so like jerky and beats you up. I don't know. I want to enjoy sim racing, not get beat up by it. All right, this trade is not good. Horrible execution. Well, 15-minute high is definitely becoming support. Trying to drink almost a gallon of water a day. At least three of these bottles. If I got my fill there, it would have been nice, man. Damn, this candle faked me out so bad. Oh, man. I guess we're flagging and we're going to go lower, but it's not a good entry. Once you have a horrible entry, it's so hard to get out of the trade. Like I literally became support. Like it took forever. I'm adding, covering. All right, that was a tough trade, but worked out. Bad entry. If I got my ad there, that would have been nice. All right, another $800. So pretty solid day, to be honest. Still a long ways to go. Still a long ways to go for payouts, but to keep on grinding. I want to know, how is the Winter Classic in Miami? Like, isn't it gonna be hot? All right, I got like 50 minutes left. Take profit trader still didn't clear my payouts. So probably won't trade that account. Maybe later. Power hour. But I'm gonna trade it tomorrow for sure on the ORB. I guess we're still going lower. Let's go back to that eval maybe. Yeah, definitely could have passed that eval. I'm trying to get it halfway to passing so I could hedge. And we're gonna give up pretty much all the... Where was the open? The open was here. It's gonna give up everything. All right, almost halfway to passing, so I could almost hedge two evals and see if I could get one passed. And then I'll do a couple on Nvidia earnings, see if I could pass. Goal is to get to 20 accounts. Hopefully Apex website works though, so I could buy more. Oh, I think the website's working now. Is it? Maybe not. Yeah, I mean, Bullnox never follows Apex on every sale. Yeah, Bullnox is expensive. Now you think about it, Bullnox is very expensive. Bullnox should do at least 90% off. Yeah, the website works now. But was I able to log in? I don't think so. Timeout error. Request timed out. Yeah, they're getting really screwed with this outage. Oh man, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Getting choppy. I got a meeting at 12:30, so maybe I'll make some, or I'll probably go get a protein shake. Try not to eat too much right now. Trying to lose some weight. Funded Futures Network. Yeah, we've heard of them. I don't know anyone using them.
Corner tunnel, and he.
Sorry, guys. Watching a hockey highlight, a dirty hit. Oh, what's gonna happen now? Now it's in that same category as up here. Are we gonna go higher? We're gonna go lower? I don't know. I feel like we're gonna go lower, but seems like it wants to just keep going all the way back down. It hasn't based yet. Ooh, Jim Hardy, you might have a loophole there, huh? Until you go live. Once you go live, I guess. I guess it doesn't matter. Technically. All right. Maybe we are basing now. The 11 tick target, that could be your stop loss. You get right entry. Great risk reward. How did I not get filled? Come on. I'm gonna flatten that. Still couldn't get my freaking. Oh my god. I stop out and it does this. Unbelievable. All right, at least I got my half. So now I could take this and this eval, hedge it, and then pass one of them. Hopefully. Or I could attempt trying to pass both. Oh, we're going lower. Without revenue, Apex will go down. We'll get it back. We'll get it. I mean, my thing let me log in, I think. We'll get the website back up, hopefully. But yes, if they missed out on like a week of revenue, that's a pretty big deal. Keep on shorting it. Oh my god, I'm gonna blow it. Fuck. Damn it, guys. Why don't I just listen to myself and hedge the damn evals? Fuck. How many evals am I gonna blow like this? So stupid. Just hedge the evals. You guys have no idea how easy, once you get them halfway past, how easy that is. Oh my god. Well, I'm done for today. I'm not sure about funding ticks. I don't trade with them. Unbelievable. So stupid. Can't pass fucking evals right now. How do we change that mindset of just wanting to like pass, not trade good? Who cares about trading good? Just hedge. It's so easy. Let me show you guys. Oh, wrong account. Again, funding ticks is not something I am familiar with, so I would not be the right person to ask. I used to be really good with every prop firm and knowing everything, but then too many prop firms came on board. Okay, let's see if this works. What's wrong with Top Step now? Damn it. All right, I'm done, guys. Today is not my fucking day on evals. Again, second day in a row, just can't do anything on evals. It's so sad. I gotta do 50Ks. I gotta do 50Ks, guys. That's it. We're gonna have 50K accounts again. Wasting way too much time trying to pass these 150Ks when it's just not working. When I have the opportunity, I don't take it. And then when I don't have a chance, I... Look at that. Can't even get the move. Can't even get the move. Look how close we need to get to. And we just can't. Look, it's absurd. It's only 15 points. The trailing drawdown is just killing us in this chop. That's fucking crazy. That is insane. You just gotta laugh. You gotta laugh at yourself. They're so hard to pass. Like, this is only half of passing. And I still can't get filled. All right, finally. All right, so now I am definitely gonna... I mean, imagine this other one gets saved. That'd be crazy. Not going to. Now it's not gonna go up, is it? Imagine it did. Oh my god, I'm gonna save this eval. Come on. Just get me out. Get me out. Yes. Well, that worked out. Doesn't usually work out like this. Both evals. I just want to get out of it so I could use it later. It's getting choppy now. I'm gonna call it a day after I get out of this. Had a chance to get out. I didn't. Let's see. Is it gonna keep melting lower? Probably will. Probably gonna keep melting lower. Could have passed. Freaking. Yep. Unbelievable. Look at it going. When you need it to go straight, it does not. But when you don't need it to go to straight down, it just shits itself. Oh my god. What a terrible sell. Alright, I'm getting frustrated now, as you guys could tell. Had a really good day. I just want to end it. and move on to tomorrow. Gonna just do 50k evals from now on. No more 150ks unless they auto renew. I'm not buying any 150ks. I am gonna settle for 50ks with the promo that Apex has. The 50ks are a great deal. What the fuck is this? Like, why are we selling off right now so aggressively? Like, this is the move you could actually pass the 150ks, you know? But of course, I get stuck in chop. Ooh, spider trader, that sucks. I've done that. Just froze. My charts just froze. Great. What's going on? Can someone tell me if it's going up or down? Unreal. Had a chance to get out and now I can't. Because it's frozen. Why is this frozen? Is it my QUANTOWER or is it just Apex? Or it's just Apex. Oh man. I don't know what to do. I don't know. My data is not working, so yeah, it's dumping now. I'm red. Would have been fine, but we'll see. Still in it. I'm not even trying to like get profit. I'm just trying to get out for like small gain. This account should have been blown because I was short and long at the same time, and yeah, it's crazy how weak the market becomes after being so strong up here, right? It's like so strong and now so weak. It's crazy how it turns. See if we could get out of this for profit and then call it a day. I want to save this eval for Nvidia earnings. All right, we'll call that lucky win. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I got a meeting at 12:30, so I want to go get a protein shake from this amazing place that makes protein shakes better than milkshakes. And yeah, gotta do a client meeting, book another wedding maybe for 2026, and good luck on Nvidia earnings if you're gonna attempt to trade that. And I'll see you guys all on lovely Thursday. All right, hit the like button, and don't forget, Apex has their best promo, pretty much $87 all in for 50Ks. And Take Profit Trader 40% off as always with no activation. Oh, speaking of Take Profit, my payout has been received, so I should be cleared. So maybe I'll scalp this later after my meeting. Try to make like 500 bucks on this. I'll see. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, be good, be safe. Sorry for the shorter stream, but I got a meeting to do. Wednesdays I have appointments available from 12 o'clock, so they could book anytime. Usually they don't. Usually people work, so they don't book it. So, and I'm usually done at 12 anyway, right? So take care, guys, and see you all tomorrow. Great day today. Let's keep it going. Let's keep this beautiful week going. 3 days in a row, recovered the accounts, and tougher day today. But I think I did well with FOMO and not jumping in when I knew things weren't going too well. Still made some nice profit though. Later, guys. Code Alpine.